How Graphus AI email security protects your inbox. At Impress Computers, we're always looking for smarter ways to protect your business from cyber threats. That's why we've implemented Graphus, an advanced AI-powered email security platform that works silently in the background, keeping your inbox safe from phishing, spoofing, and suspicious messages. Here's how it works. Graphus uses artificial intelligence to learn your organization's normal communication patterns, including who you typically email and how they communicate. When something looks off, like an unusual sender, a spoofed domain, or strange language in the message, Graphus flags it before it reaches your inbox. What you'll see. When Graphus detects something suspicious, you'll notice a blue banner at the top of the email. This is your personal heads up that the message might not be legitimate. You'll have two simple options. Mark as safe. If you recognize the sender and are confident the email is legitimate, click this. It helps Graphus learn and improve. Mark as phishing. If the email looks suspicious or you weren't expecting it, click this. It sends a report to our team and helps stop similar threats in the future. Why this matters. Phishing attacks are one of the most common and damaging cyber threats to businesses. With Graphus, you get real-time protection that adapts to evolving threats, and a simple way to report or confirm emails with just one click. Stay vigilant. Use the blue banner, and when in doubt, mark it as phishing.